Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I've got the shelf assembled, starting to move things over onto it. I want to get these shelves emptied and put over onto the narrow set of shelves so that I can get these moved on down. It's going to take a little bit of doing, but I think I can handle it. Because this was the first rack that I had out here, it got piled up with everything. It's got all the little bits and pieces. It's kind of a mess. I need to bring out the storage rack for these little bins. That way I can move them all at once instead of having to do it individually, one at a time. But we'll do that after I get the big rack moved. I'm trying not to bring a lot of stuff out here just because it's more stuff to have to move. And the less I have to move, the easier it's going to be. Magnets come in handy, especially when you have bins on the shelves, because I moved the bins. Well, I moved the box that the bins were in, and that meant that all the bins jumped out. Instead of picking each one individually, I can just pick up a batch of them. Looks like I got some stainless screws and bits and pieces. That's okay. We'll just pick them up and put them in the crate and sort them later. Handy thing to have around. This is the battery maintainer. I'm working towards getting the tractor inside so I can plug this in. Yeah, this is my drill bit sharpener. This is the Black & Decker that I have yet to try. And this is the Derek's that I'm running a video series on right now. So they're going to be out here. I want to get this one apart, get the measurements on the grindstone, because people have asked me, where can I get a grindstone? I can't find one, but I'm pretty sure that you can take one from another use and shape it to match this one that's in this grinder. That's what I was looking for. This is the cover for the air conditioner. I'll leave it wrapped up. I need to put that on later today. PVC conduit. I'm trying to sort some of this stuff out as I go so I can have it in places where I know it's at. PVC pipe. That's water pipe, it's not conduit. This is my mom's old dinner bell. Not very loud with a wooden stick. I kept this just because it was Mom's. This is a blower that I picked up with a rivet forge. The guy had plans on making this into the blower, but I have a hand crank blower. Can't think of the name of it, but I think it's it doesn't matter. I have a hand crank blower for the rivet forge, so I won't be using this. But it's a nice blower for, you know, you might need a blower for like a forge or something. Furnace. You got a propane furnace and you pump air into it, it gets a lot hotter. I got this trail cam because I thought it might be interesting to set it up out in the yard and take pictures of wildlife around here. We have deer and coyote and lots of squirrels and birds, but I haven't set it up yet. Lots of great plans. Good at starting, poor at finishing. So I think that's a good enough spot to call it for today. I'm all the muscle that I got to work with, so I got to take care of what I got. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.